Good morning, all. Myself, Seema, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Become CA in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi Arts and Science College. Today, I am going to present this video to tell about the roadmap or the starting journey of SNS institutions and mainly SNS institutions. Mainly, its vision is to build an entrepreneurial mindset through our design thinking framework, and our main tagline is redesigning common mind and business towards excellence, and our culture is 3P culture. That is, the 3P culture is introduced in SNS as a purpose, process, and a people. The main focus of SNS institutions is quality educations, and in SNS we strive to touch every lead of the world we live in. Through design thinking, we focus on delivering quality education by providing an effective learning environment and true innovators who fix the real social needs and issues. And mainly SNS focuses on innovations, and not just engineers, we deliver entrepreneurs, fostering their creativity by providing the appropriate seed of mechanism through design thinking to bring their ideas and imaginations into life. Social causes, what are the main causes, main the society, what are the problems facing in the society. And for innovation, our community focuses on solving on real social needs and issues. We cultivate the social responsibility and sustainability among the institutions and the world community. And talking about the roadmap of SNS foundation, first we are having the challenge of facing the challenge of finding the institutions. Institutions started, SNS institutions started in 1997 as a SNS charitable trust, and after that we introduced design thinking process, and design next one is about the framework and culture. Telling about the framework and culture of SNS, 3P culture is there, 3C frameworks are there, and 5 pillars. And about the growth and innovations, many new Gen AI techniques are used, innovative methods are used, and certified talents are there for listeners. And excellence and creations, we are doing smart OKR goals every month by faculty members as well as students. And excellence, and also mainly the, as we already know, pointed out, the main tagline of SNS is to build an entrepreneurial mindset. So the main aim of SNS is to start an 1,000 AI startups with main growth and talents. So next thing is about we want to talk about is design thinking. Design thinking. What is the meaning of this design thinking, and main aim of design thinking is to solve the problems that we are facing in the society nowadays. Uh, Design thinking process includes 5 stages. That is, first stage is empathy, empathize, empathize. Then after that, define. After that, ideate, prototype, and testing. So these are the 5 stages in the design thinking. First stage is empathize. Empathize means understand the user. That is, in the initial stage, the goal is to gain a deep empathetic understanding of the people you are designing for. This involves moving past your own assumptions and biases to truly understand users experiences, motivations, and pain points. The main method is to conduct user research through observations, interviews, and surveys. And the main outcome is a holistic view of the user's needs and context, which lays the foundation for all subsequent steps. Next one is defining. After empathizing, we are defining the problem. That is, state the user's needs and problems. During this phase, we empathize the insights. During the empathize stage, to form a clear and concise problem statement. This statement is known as point of view and should be human centered, focusing on the user's perspective rather than a business goal. And the next one is about ideate. Ideate means generate creative solutions. That is, with a well defined problem in hand, this stage is dedicated to brainstorming and generating as many ideas as possible. The focus is on quantity over quality, encouraging wild and unconventional thinking without judgment. Next stage is prototype. After finishing the ideate, we are prototyping. That is, in this experimental phase, you create a number of inexpensive scaled down versions of the product or features. The purpose is to explore key solutions generated in the ideate phase and investigate which components works best. And finally, we are testing. We are refining and improving. The final stage involves putting out your prototypes in front of real users to gather feedback. Observing how users interact with the prototypes provides valuable insights that can be used to refine the solution. And talking about the five pillars of SNS, we can say about first one is CLT. CLT is Center for Learning and Teaching. That is design thinking based academic learning. Thing is skill and career development. SCD. SCD is building life skills, that is social, emotional, and cognitive through various clubs. And third one is CLT, that is CFC, that is Center for Creativity. That is hands-on experience to solve key industrial problems through latest technologies. And fourth one is IIPC, that is Industry Institute Partnership Cell, that is connecting and learning business sense to top industries. And next one is about social responsibility initiatives. These are the five centers which act as our pillars of SNS, covering all streams of lives to strengthen our educational system. Rather than providing a traditional learning environment, we focus on building a culture focusing on effective teaching and learning, innovation, skill, and entrepreneurship development, industry connect, and social responsibility initiatives. Applying design thinking to all these dimensions helps the students to have the academic freedom to understand complex problems and principles through engaging learning activities and helps nurture progressive minds. With leading edge faculty and remarkable alumni, we are committed to providing students with a challenging and relevant education for developing them to have an impact on the world and solve the most pressing social issues. And next thing we have to uh, talk about is the 3P culture. 3P culture of SNS. That is, we have to the mainly the 3P culture includes purpose, process, and people. Purpose, process, and people. The main aim of this 3P culture is to get into the culture of the provide this culture. This framework provides a guiding principle for education with purpose focusing on a clear sense of mission, process emphasizing efficient and systematic approaches, and people highlighting a collaborative and supportive community. So these are all the talking about the roadmap of SNS. I have to say that finally, while concluding, I have to say that it is a great place where students will have their opportunity to turn path breaking research into real world needs. So, thank you. Thank you.